Hello guys, welcome to LeetCode. So in today's video, we are going to solve another SQL question from LeetCode, which is article views 1. Okay, so let's dive into our problem. We have a table named views which contains data about article view on a platform. Fine. Now we have columns. So this table includes 4 columns: article ID, author ID, viewer ID and view date. Let's read the question first. So in this table we do not have any primary key, that is a column with unique value. Fine. Each row of this table indicates that some viewer viewed an article on some date, and if author ID and viewer ID are equal, that indicates that the person who viewed the article is the author. Okay, it is the same person. Fine. So we have to write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. Means that we have to filter out that person from this view table who has written his own article and viewed it. Fine. Now we have to return the table sorted by ID in ascending order. Okay, let's understand the example. In this table, we can see, if you see clearly, that author ID 7 and viewer ID 7 is same, which means that this author has viewed his own article. Okay, if you look at author ID 4 and viewer ID 4, that is also same, which means that the author has viewed his own article. Fine. So this is our output. We need to get this output from this table. Fine. So let's write a. Now we have to filter out distinct values. Okay, we have to filter out unique values. So I'll write select distinct. Okay. As there is no primary key mentioned in this table, so we need unique values. There may be chances of duplicate values. So to avoid this, we are writing distinct keyword. Okay. Now we want author ID. Okay. Why we want author ID? Because we want that person who has viewed his own article. Okay. So that we will get that from author ID. Fine. So author ID. Now, if you look at this output, the column has named ID, and if you look the table, view table, you won't see any ID column over here. So, because it has been named as ID, so we will rename this author ID as ID. Okay, so we will get the same output. Now, from views. Okay, this is our table. As usual, we have to filter out, so we will be using where clause. Okay, where author ID is equal to viewer ID. Fine. Why? Because the question says that if author ID is equal to viewer ID indicates the same person, and we have to filter out that author who has viewed his own articles. Okay, so it will be from author ID is equal to viewer ID, and again the question says the ID in ascending order. We have to filter out the author IDs in ascending order, so we will be using author ID ascending. Okay, when you need to order your IDs or any roll numbers or something in your query, you want it in an ascending or a descending order, you use order by and you mention in which order you want to get the results. Okay, you want results. If it is ascending, you write ASC, and if it is descending, you write descending. Okay, so let's run our query and check if it is correct or not. Okay, so our query is correct and the query is accepted. Okay, we got our expected results. Okay, let's submit it. And that's it. The query will give us the list of authors who viewed their own article sorted by their IDs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel LeetCodes for more SQL and coding tutorials. Okay, thank you.